Converters, or interfaces. What are they? Converters are the key component that will establish the connection between full-gauge controllers and Sitrad Pro. They are the only ones capable of translating full-gauge on RS-485 protocol to communicate with our remote management software. We have several models, each one with its own features for each application. The main difference between them is the way how they connect to the computer, with the right choice according to your needs. Therefore, it is important that you know the main characteristics of each, understanding which one will suit you best. The models. Starting with the most popular model, there is the famous COM32, connecting to the computer via USB cable, ideal for installations where the computer is accessible to the RS-485 network, providing direct communication between controllers and computer using hard wire, delivering a very reliable connection and easy setup. Another cable converter option is a TCP-485, but now using the cable RJ45. The TCP-485 connects to the computer via physical network and may have a server or modem to intermediate this connection. Communication between devices over a network must be performed by a skilled IT technician. This interface is ideal for building installations where devices are located on different floors or far away from the computer with Sitrad Pro. With a similar name and a great feature that will provide a very convenient way to the installation, there is the TCP-485 WiFi Log. Instead of connecting via RJ45, the connection to the network is done using Wi-Fi signal. TCP-485 Wi-Fi Log keeps data received on its internal memory, and it works greatly on places with difficult cable access or mobile installation sites. If the application used is located where there is a lot of electromagnetic noise, hardwire converter is advised. The most elegant and complete option of converter is without a doubt the Sitrad InBox, which replaces the computer at installation site. Sitrad InBox performs as a server, running Sitrad service, allowing access from other computers with Sitrad Pro software installed. The converter itself is integrated, supporting up to 32 controllers. If you need more, rest assured, other converter models from full-gauge controls can be connected to it, expanding the number of controllers. It is possible to use any of the 4 USB inputs connecting multiple COM32s, version 3 or higher. Sitrad InBox also have RJ45 input to connect to a network or modem, and Wi-Fi capabilities to expand the number of controllers with a TCP-485 Wi-Fi Log or simply connect to a local Wi-Fi network. Sitrad InBox on Hotspot allows it to be accessed locally by a cell phone with Sitrad mobile app or with a laptop with Sitrad Pro with no need of extra devices or heavy desk computer connections. Due to its small and low-profile size, it is ideal to be installed in electrical panel in places where you do not want unauthorized people interacting with your system or network. In addition, it has a mini USB DC power supply and a 16 GB memory to store systems information and reports for mobile applications that require these records. Now that you know the characteristics of each converter, please contact our retail experts and find out the most suitable for your needs. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or email us and browse our next tutorial video in Full Gauge Controls tutorial series of Sitrad